So in this video, we will learn how to manage Azure resources using Azure portal. Our objective of this video is to create resource groups and deploy resources inside the resource group, move the resources between resource group, and implement and test resource lock. So our first task is to create a resource group and deploy resources in the resource group. Let's sign into our Azure portal and select disk and create a disk with specifications. So we will select disks, create resource group name. Let's select, name the new resource group name, this one, create new, and rename it as AZ10403ARG1. Disk name will give as per the lab. Region US is default. Availability zone, let's select none and none. Disk type standard HDD. Instead of premium, we will select standard HDD and the base 32 GB, just a basic. After that, we will review and create. Validation has passed, so select on create. So this way we created the disk 32 GB standard HDD in the East US region. Now our next step is to move resources between the resource group. So let's go to the resource group we created. Let's the deployment finish as disk is being created. Let me pause the video till deployment is finished. As you can see, my resource has been created. So I will go to my resource group. Let's go to home, and under resource group, my newly created resource group AZ104. Let me find it. Here it is. And inside this resource group, this is the disk. From the overview blade of the resource group, select entity representing newly created disk, click move on the toolbar. So let's overview page, select disk, and there should be a move option somewhere here. Here, subscription move. So overview page of the resource group, select entry presenting newly created disk, click move in the toolbar and move to another resource group. So it should be here, move to another resource group. Okay. Below the resource group, let's create a type. I already created one more resource group, so I will select that one. So select the source and target will be, let's say, this one, 1197.171, which is already created resource group by me. If you don't have, you can create the new one. Select next, resource to move, validation is pending. Let's the validation pass, and let me pause my video till that. As you can see, my validation has been succeeded. Click on next. Just review finally the source subscription, the destination, and resource group name where you want to move. Number of resources you want to move. As of now, it is just one. I understand the tool and scripts associated with move resources will not work until I update it to the new resource ID, and click on move. So as the moving process is under progress, that is finished. As you can see, move resource has been completed. So let's go to home. Our previous resource group was AZ104, this one, and the resources we move in this one. As you can see, resources successfully moved. Now let's implement an Azure resource lock. So select the Azure resource, that is the disk one. on the left hand side setting, click on locks. So here first step is mentioned to create a disk, which we already did that, so no need to repeat the information. Now after that we need to click on locks and add lock. Lock name may be DND, do not delete, and select lock type as a delete. So it will not delete, user will not able to delete the resources. Let's go to the resource group and now try to delete the resource we want to delete. It's failed to delete because following scope is locked, because we applied the lock, so we're not able to delete that. Now go to the locks, refresh it and delete this one. So lock has been deleted. Once you're done, go to the resource group and try to delete the resource. So disk will be deleted now. So that's the end of our lab. Thank you.